a bar of soap, and you need a microwave and a plate. First thing we do is put the plate on the pan, then put the soap on the plate, then you open the microwave and turn it on to push the 1, 2.
Must sound this time. Must sound this.
1, 2, 0. Where's the 0?
Bottom.
Oh, I did it. Okay, let's start making it.
Why do you have to use Ivory soap, Tate?
Because it has more oxygen in it and more air.
Yeah.
Now let's put the plate in. Ooh. So do I push 1, 0, 0? Or 1,
2, 0.
2,
1, 2, 0.
1, 2, 0. 1, 2, 0.
Start.
Let's start
Down at the bottom.
right there. Trippy, what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? My soap's in there, Trippy. Should I take it out now? Hey, it's getting marshmallow. Look at it. Look at it, Trip. Look at it. Oh, let's see.
Oh,
Mommy.
just a second. I'll lift you up when you
Trip,
do
look at
yours.
it. Do you see it? No. See it? See it? It's getting really big, Trip. You want me to hold you?
Mommy.
Oh, can we get out now? Can we?
Wait until it's done.
The microwave?
What should we use for Tripp? Instead of that plate, what should we use?
That plate might be getting burned right now.
Let's
No,
not
no,
this.
but we need to use a bigger
not
plate
this.
probably, don't you think?
Oh my gosh, Trip
Let's
forgot
not
it's getting really big. Oh my gosh. Is it getting big?
Yeah.
Did we take it out now?
Smells good.
Did we take it out now?
Whenever you're ready.
1, 2, Trip, look at that. It's going back to normal. Is that weird, Trippy? Weird? Should we take the plate out?
Sure.
Sure. Is it hot? Oh. Wait,
Hot?
it's burning hot.
Would you want some adult assistance?
Yeah. I can hold the phone and videotape. Look. Oh. Hi. Look at it. Looks
Zoom
like.
in on it.
Am
I
I?
zoom in.
Wow. Mommy, good mine.
You want to do yours next, Tripp?
Yeah.
Okay. Put your soap on to your plate.
Put yourself on the plate. Come on. Put yourself right there. Now put it in the oven. No, you. You want to push the buttons? You want me to work to push the buttons? You want me to push the buttons?
No, me.
Okay, switch them sides.
Okay, buddy, push that one. Whoa. Push. Whoa. Oh my shit. Put that. Push. Push this one. Okay. Here, give me a 1, 2, 0. Look at it, Trip. I can't see it. Me. Once it gets bigger, it looks. Oh my gosh, it's getting fatter and fatter. Oh my gosh. Anybody? No, I don't think we can. Oh, yeah, we can go. Mommy, hold you up so you can see it? Or do you see it? Do you see it?
No, I'm not.
Sit on your tippy toe.
No.
You see it? Oh my gosh. Should we take it out now? Now? It looks like it's north. Wait, this still hot.
Let it go, like the guy said, till 120.
Hot?
See if it gets really big. Look in there, Tripp. Do you see it?
We can play with this
Do you see your
stuff.
cloud, Tripp? Look at your cloud.
We can play with these.
Yeah. It's just soap.
Trip, you paint yours.
Look at yours, Trip. Look in the microwave.
No, can I paint it?
Whoa!
Hey, I think didn't it? No, wait.
Tea on that one.
You wait. Ow.
Ow, 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 ow.
Let's leave it in there to cool it off.
Look at yours, Trip.
No, it's
Cool it off? It's really hot.
oh. Hi.
You breathe it.
Smell it. What's it smell like?
Whoa.
What's it smell like?
Hi.
Smells or I never smelled it. Smells.
It tastes.
Smells like soap.
Hey, look! I dig a little hole. I think I'm gonna
Do
make.
you guys want to paint it and like make it rainbow mountains or something?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get the paint out.
Now we're just paint.
Look. All done.
We can paint them however
Oh,
we
yeah.
want.
All done, Mama.
Let's see it.
Whoa.
Show the camera.
Whoa! Trip has lots of
Smile pretty for
splatters.
it. Look at the camera.
Tea. Trip has lots of splatters. I love his.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
I use mine.
Let's see yours, Tate.
Trip this picture is blob of snow. I'm not done yet.
Oh. Done, Trip?
No.